Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the camera record video to 720p HD at 30 fps or 1080 HD at 30 or 60 fps. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Camera. Next, in Camera, tap on Record Video. And from here, you can choose between 720p HD, 1080 HD at 30 fps or 60 fps. Now, if you want to go even higher, you can even choose at 4K. When you are choosing at a higher resolution, your phone can take up a lot of storage space. So bear in mind, if you have a lot of if you don't have a lot of storage, then I highly recommend you not to select very high resolution. So something here in between this range is good if you want to keep your storage space in balance. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.